In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories on your Weebly website. This process is essential if you want to organize your products effectively and make it easier for your visitors to navigate through your online store. Let's break this down step by step to ensure it's clear and simple for everyone. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It doesn't matter whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, any will work just fine. Head over to the official Weebly website. Doing this will give you access to all the tools that Weebly offers for managing your site, and it should be a familiar place if you've used it before. Once the page has loaded, look for the Sign In option. It's usually prominently displayed, as Weebly wants to ensure you can access your account quickly. Click on Sign In and enter your credentials. This will bring you to your Weebly dashboard, your central hub for all site management tasks. Now that you're in the dashboard, look for the Items section. This is where you'll manage all your site's content, including the categories we're going to organize today. Under this section, you should see the option for Site Categories. Click it to open up the Categories interface. On the Categories page, you'll find an Add Category button. This is typically located at the top right corner, easy for quick access. Clicking this button is your first step towards creating a new category. Weebly has designed this layout to make adding new categories straightforward and intuitive. After you click Add Category, you'll want to give your new category a descriptive name. This name should clearly reflect the type of products or content that will be included in this category, making it easy for visitors to understand at a glance. Once you've decided on a name, look for the Choose Items button. Now, it's time to populate your category with products. Clicking Choose Items will display a list of all your products. Here, you can select the items you wish to include in the new category by checking the checkboxes next to product names. This step is crucial for ensuring that your category displays the intended products to your visitors. Once you've selected all the necessary items and are satisfied with your category name, it's time to finalize the process. Look for the Save button and click it to store your new category. Saving confirms all your changes and will make the new category live on your site, organizing your products as intended. And there you have it. That's how you add categories to your Weebly website. By following these steps, you can enhance the shopping experience on your site, making it easier for your customers to find exactly what they're looking for.